You will need some good quality washing up liquid like Fairy. The better the quality, the better your bubbles, and you will need some glycerine, which help with the tension, as well as some warm water. I'm going to start off with approximately 1 litre of hot water. The measurements are not exact, they're just an approximation. The blog post below does have metric and US numbers for you, but I'm using here, like I said, a litre of water and approximately 250 millilitres or a cup of Fairy or washing up liquid. My bottle is 500 millilitres, so I'm just going to put in half a bottle. So I'm not actually going to use a measuring tool, but it's, like I said, just an approximation. Top tip for bubble mixture is do not mix it up and make it lots of bubbly early on. Let it rest over time and then it will be better. Now, glycerine, I'm going to use 4 teaspoons today, but you can use between 2 and 4. Both recipes should work. I just like to add a little bit extra to be on the safe side. Time to gently stir it and then let it rest. As I mentioned before, if you let it rest for 3 or 4 days before you use it, you will get the best bubbles.